When people experience cough, headache, and shortness of breath, they easily assume that they have the common flu. They neglect to go to the doctor and they take their illness for granted. In the best-case scenario, the infected people heal, but due to several factors such as one's access to healthcare, one's immune system, and extremities in the environment, it can lead to worse conditions such as a chest infection. Chest infection is a form of respiratory disease that impacts the lower part of your respiratory tract. This includes your windpipe, bronchi, and lungs. According to experts, the most common types of chest infections include bronchitis and pneumonia, and the symptoms range anywhere from mild to severe. The early symptoms of chest infection include a chest cough, wheezing, mucus, shortness of breath, chest discomfort, fever, headache, muscle pain, and fatigue. It can be caused by a bacterial or viral infection. Bronchitis is usually caused by a virus, while pneumonia is often caused by bacteria. Other factors determine the development of these diseases. Bronchitis, for example, can develop in people who are exposed to toxic atmospheres. It can also exist in smokers, including those who let their common cough get worse. Pneumonia, on the other hand, is more common among those with a weakened immune system, among the elderly, smokers, and people with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Both of these diseases cause complications. To prevent these, you need to learn how to alleviate the symptoms and kill the virus. Aside from the doctor's prescription, there are several strategies you can try to hasten your recovery. Hi, welcome to Top Health. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for your regular dose of enlightening health-related content. Today, let's look into the best techniques to help alleviate the symptoms of chest infections. Are you allowed to try these healing regimens at home? Tune in to find out. Before you indulge in the several natural ways to remedy chest infections, here's a quick disclaimer. The information discussed in this video is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, and treatment. Remember to consult your doctor before you try any of these techniques. Ginger. Many researchers have found that ginger has anti-inflammatory effects against respiratory infections, including pneumonia and bronchitis. It can help alleviate shortness of breath, mucus secretion, chest pain, and other symptoms. Depending on your preference, you can chew dried ginger, or you can just use fresh ginger to make tea. Some even prefer eating raw ginger by adding it to their food. Whatever you decide, what matters is that you ease your symptoms easily and at the comfort of your own home. Some people decide to eat ginger in the form of capsules or supplements. While this is a good way not to taste it, scientists promote ingesting ginger in its natural form. Eating ginger is not for everyone, so if you take it in a supplement, you might not control how much ginger you take in a day. But if you take it naturally, you can have it in small portions so you can assess how well your body processes it. Garlic. If you have a chest infection, another important food to add to your diet is garlic. This is found to have countless healing properties, including the inhibition of viral and bacterial growth. There is enough evidence that shows garlic as a natural remedy for bronchitis and pneumonia. However, not everyone can eat garlic. Some people experience allergic reactions to it. This is why it's important to consult your doctor before you add this vegetable to your diet. Turmeric. This next natural remedy for chest infections deserves a like and subscribe. Turmeric is one of the most common spices used in East Indian food. Aside from giving foods that fantastic taste, it also offers healing properties that help the body to a great degree. Did you know that turmeric possesses curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties? Not only can this relieve infection and inflammation in the lungs, but it also helps you prevent the onset of Alzheimer's. Share this video to help your friends and family protect their lungs. You know what they say, a family that shares health videos together stays longer with each other. Steam. If you're having trouble excreting your mucus from your airways, you can try steam therapy. Steam can help break and loosen the mucus in your system so you can expel it easily. You can use an electric steamer. Others use the traditional steaming process, that is, boiling water and breathing in the steam. If you're allowed, you can even take a hot shower. Make sure that you can handle the heat of your bath water to avoid burns. To utilize its steam, breathe deeply through your mouth and nose. Let your airways heat and loosen up as you relax. Not only will this alleviate your mucus problems, but also helps your muscles relax from all the coughing or sneezing. Saltwater gargling. If you're having trouble expelling your mucus, try gargling with salt water. This will help break up the mucus and reduce the pain in your throat. To do so, dissolve a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Then, sip a small amount of the glass and gargle it at the back of the throat. Remember not to swallow the water. Instead, spit it out. Repeat this process as often as possible. Lastly, rinse your mouth with plain water to eliminate that salty taste. Sleep. This may sound cliché, but letting your body rest is a great way to recover from any illness. The body has its own healing mechanism that can be induced by getting enough rest. It may be difficult to sleep with a chest infection, especially with all that coughing, chest pains, headache, and other symptoms. But you can ask your doctor if he or she can prescribe over-the-counter medications to alleviate the symptoms. If not, you can try other natural remedies such as drinking honey, peppermint tea, turmeric, and many more. Lifestyle changes. The last but not least technique to alleviate the symptoms of chest infection is to change your lifestyle once and for all. It can be difficult to restart and rewire your habits, but it's an essential strategy if you want to heal from your illness. Some of the major lifestyle changes you need to undergo include avoiding smoking, avoiding polluted environments, wearing masks if you're exposed to pollution, boosting your immunity through a healthy diet, exercising at least 3 times a week, and visiting your doctor regularly. These activities may seem like a handful, but take small steps at a time. With commitment, you will see a significant improvement to your health. Are you planning to prevent chest infection? Watch the latest video about the best foods to cleanse your lungs and prevent diseases. Are you allergic to any of these foods? Thanks for watching. Have you tried any of these home treatments lately? If so, would you mind leaving a comment about how effective they are? Also, please smash that like and subscribe button. You'd be happy to see all sorts of health-related content to help you and your family stay fit.